So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. Then type HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 and then select this. This is your printer. So by default detect Windows 10. So if you are using different, so select choose and then click to Windows 11. So guys, if you are using different, so select this installations process same. You just download the driver and I show you how to install. So this is, guys, do not install this one because this is driver installed by software. So software name is Easy Start Printer. So this is require the internet connections. You have to download the basic driver, basic and software full. So download this one, okay, and click to download. Okay, if you download more driver, just click to download more, and you can see this is firmware. So if you have to update the firmware of your printer, so click to download and then next to install it. Wait few seconds, it will complete. It is completed downloading. Just single click, click to start installations. This is extracting to data your system. Then click to yes. Then continue. No. Now this is searching the printer in your environment. So you can see there are three types by USB, wired, wireless. So wireless means connect to Bluetooth. So you know very well about your printer IP address. So if you connected like that, if you connect to USB, select this and continue. So connect to printer by USB. Okay. So whenever it is done, so automatically detect and